Morning, dear students, and welcome to English class for class 4. In the previous class, we saw that one who follows the good manner, he is known as good citizen, and one who does not follow the good manners is known as bad citizen. So, same way, habit. If we do something continuously, then it is a habit. And habit is like a machine or mechanical act, doing every time the same thing and making it habit. We learn how to do things by habits. When we practice them over a period of time again and again, so it becomes habit. For example, if we get up early morning every day we get up early morning, so it becomes a habit of getting up early in the morning. So in this way, when something becomes a habit, we are not aware of them much. It becomes automatically, we just do them. Once it becomes a habit of getting up early, we don't realize, we get up without much realization. अनजाना से सुबह उठ जाता है अगर हैबिट हो जाता है तो. And habit is like a machine. So when you are small, you know how to ride a cycle. Do you know how to ride a cycle? If you don't know, or when you ride cycle for the first time, you have to pay attention to it. पूरा ध्यान रखना है. अगर पहले बार साइकिल चला रहे तो तुमको पूरा ध्यान रखना है. You have to pay attention, otherwise you will not able to ride cycle. When you have learn how to ride cycle, अगर तुम सीख गया साइकिल सीखने चलाने के लिए अच्छा से, तो तुमको दिक्कत नहीं होगा. ऑटोमेटिकली तुम साइकिल चला सकते हो. अटेंशन भी नहीं चाहिए. So when you have mastered in a few weeks for riding a cycle, you will have no need to think about it. तुमको याद करना नहीं है कैसा चलाना है. हम ऑटोमेटिकली तुम साइकिल चलाने के लिए आ जाएगा. So you have just mount a cycle and ride it without paying any attention to it. पहले बार सीख रहा है तो तुमको ध्यान देना है. अगर सीख गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली साइकिल में उठ के चला सकेगा, ताकि तुमको आदत हो गया. Habit, it has become a habit, and you have practiced it and you have mastered it, and your practice and mastered have made you as a habit, and so you are able to ride a cycle properly. Similarly, you are slowly learning spelling new words, spelling of words, and you easily write the words. No, you easily write the words because you have learned the words. Spelling का words को अच्छा से तुम सीखा है तो अच्छा से लिख सकेगा. Spelling of which you have not practiced well. Okay, spelling of which you have practiced well. अगर तुम spelling को अच्छा से सीखा है तो अच्छा से लिख सकेगा. And if you have not learned the spelling properly, okay, then you have to पे अटेंशन, ध्यान देना है. अगर तुम स्पेलिंग को अच्छा से नहीं सीखा है, तुमको पूरा ध्यान देना है. यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन टू द वर्ड व्हेन यू राइट, बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट प्रैक्टिस द वर्ड. स्पेलिंग के लिए प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया है तो तुमको दिक्कत होगा. यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन. In the same way, a person who has formed bad habit suffers in the end. अगर बुरे आदत है तो अंतिम को तुमको सफर करना पड़ेगा, मुसीबत में पड़ेगा. And a person who does not take physical exercise, only eating, sleeping, not doing exercise, what happens? He will suffer of many sicknesses, and as a result क्या होगा? उसको सफर करना पड़ेगा. इंजेक्शन लेना पड़ेगा, दवाई खाना पड़ेगा, गुलिया खाना पड़ेगा. So many things he has to suffer. A person who does not rise early in the morning does not keep a good health. If you want to keep a good health, you have to get up early morning, Make it a habit. If you don't have the habit of getting up early in the morning, you will suffer. You have to suffer. A person does not behave well, finds no one coming to his help when he is in need. Very important. When you don't behave well, अगर अच्छा से नहीं चलेगा, तुम्हारा साथ मदद देने के लिए कोई भी नहीं आएगा. Remember, nobody will come and help you when you are in need. No one likes to talk a person who uses a bad, foul language or wears dirty clothes. Speak good words, wear clean clothes, and you see, many people will come towards you and talk to you, and many people also will come to you because you are wearing good clothes, clean clothes, no foul smell. So it is just the opposite. On the contrary means opposite, ulta. We have to practice forming good habit. We have to practice. आदत बनाना है good habit के लिए. We have to practice to rise early in the morning every day. Make practice to get up early in the morning and brush your teeth. Wear clean clothes. Go to school every day. Follow the rules and laws. Do homework in time. Obey the parents and wish the elders. Speak a civilized language means decent word, and so it may be a little difficult to form a good habit now. In the beginning, दिक्कत होगा, difficult to form a good habit at the present time, but it will be very beneficial in the later stages of life. As you grow ahead, as you grow old, this will be a very, very beneficial, profitable for you in the later stages of life. So the following paragraphs, we shall see in the next video. For today, I stop here. And those who have not taken their books, अगर किताब लेना चाहते हो तो बुक्स स्कूल में आ गया, आके ले सकेगा ताकि तुम्हारा पढ़ाई अच्छा हो. थैंक यू.